Hello friends, good morning. Today in this period we are going to discuss about the Mary Kom. In the last period we have discussed that Mary Kom is known as a magnificent Mary. Why does the author called her magnificent Mary? Because she is the only woman of India. She won 5 times medal in Olympic championships. So she was the woman for our India who got a medal, a bronze medal. It was a magnificent thing for our India. हमारे भारत के लिए बहुत ही सम्मान की बात है, इसीलिए ऑथर ने उन्हें मैग्निफिशेंट लेडी ये जो डेजिग्नेशन है ये दिया है. तो जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन है ये इस वीडियो में हम इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले हैं. यू आर वाचिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑल द डिस्क्रिप्शन और टेक्स्ट. You are with your textbook as well as your relevant material which we are going to discuss here. So you are watching on the screen relevant textbook. Okay. So Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championships and regional championships in the West Bengal. In 2001 she started competing in the international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States. So in the first 4 line we are the author want to give us information about her career. But before we are going to discuss about her career, we know about the background of Mary Kom. हमें उसके पहले उनका जो बैकग्राउंड था वो रूरल बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग्स करती थी, मणिपुर जैसे स्टेट की थी. एज वेल एज शी वाज हर पेरेंट्स वेर टीनेंट फार्मर. You know, in my last period we have discussed about the tenant farmer in a Zoom field. They work, both the parents. When she was young, that time she just helped to the parents in the field, as well as she just helping her mother in the household chorus, as well as she just making a practice. Means from the childhood she was interested in this field. So she was doing all the things which was possible at that time for her. So she has done and she proved that woman can do anything in every field. So it was the best example for all women who are saying at our home, at their home, that woman cannot do anything. So she was the best example for all, and she just influenced with the Dinko Singh. At that time she won the medal in the Manipura. So all the youngster from that Manipur was influenced with the Dinko Singh who won the medal for championships. So in overall we can say that her background was not a sporty background, and you know very well about the Indian condition and about the domination of women in India or in Indian society. Because in the period when she was just doing the thing, at that time the people or the society were dominating to the woman, but she proved that and she made the history. That is why we know her as a we can say she proved herself. That's why we can call her a legend lady who can make a history. Legend, you know. So she made a history and she proved herself. So she belongs to a very rural background, as well as she is the only lady of our India who won the medal for India in the women boxing championships. Internationally, regionally, state level, international level, she proved herself. And in the Olympic, she was the only lady from our India. It was the honor thing or the laurels for our Indian that she won bronze medal in 2012 in the Olympics. So it was a very laurels things for our India. So one by one, line to line, we are going to discuss this paragraph. So she started her career. When does she started? Mary Kom's career started in 2000. Underline this. In 2000 she started her career after her victory in the Manipur state. So first of all she just step out for the first step at a state level at Manipur. She her first victory here mentioned in the Manipur. She won the medal. She won that fight against of her opposer. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her first victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championships. It was the Women Boxing Championship. उन्होंने 2000 में जो मणिपुर स्टेट में वुमेन बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप ये जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स थी उस कॉम्पिटिशन में वो पार्टिसिपेट हुई और ना कि पार्टिसिपेट हुई, उन्होंने वहाँ पे खुद को प्रूव किया और फर्स्ट टाइम शी ओन द मेडल फॉर द स्टेट लेवल। देन सेकंड टाइम शी पार्टिसिपेट इन द रीजनल चैम्पियनशिप इन द वेस्ट बंगाल, इट इज़ अनदर स्टेट। सो in the West Bengal she participated for the regional championships, okay, and then she started competing to international level and she was the only 18 years old when she made her international debut. What is mean by debut? Means her first performance in front of the people. This is called debut, isn't it? So she just national level as well as international level, state level, regional level, she just crossing one by one the steps. She just stepping out one by one and she proved herself. She just making the society aware about the women, that women can do anything. That is why the author called her unbeatable. Unbeatable means no one can beat her, no one can defeat her. That is called the unbeatable super mom, Mary Kom. So in this 4 line we learn about her career. She just started her career in 2000 in the state level. First time she won medal at a state level in Manipur. Then she won for the she participated in the regional championship. वो उसके बाद regional championship जो हुई थी वेस्ट बंगाल में, वहाँ पे वो पार्टिसिपेट हुई और वहाँ से भी उन्होंने खुद को प्रूव किया, मेडल लाई। उसके बाद में शी स्टार्टेड कम्पीटिंग एट अ इंटरनेशनल लेवल। अभी नेशनल से वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे गई। शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड हर करियर विद द इंटरनेशनल लेवल एंड द मेन थिंग और द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट शी वॉज ओनली 18 years old. मेंशन दिस, शी वॉज when she just participated at international level, that time she was only 18 years old. उस वक्त सिर्फ 18 साल की थी when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. So what is mean by AIBA? Okay, All India Boxing Association. So her first debut in front of the people. Debut, it means the first performance or live performance in front of the people. So she made at a first time when she was a 18 year old. जब वो 18 साल की थी तब उन्होंने फर्स्ट अपना डेब्यूट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल दिया था, जो कि इंटरनेशनल डेब्यूट हम कह सकते हैं एट अ फर्स्ट AIBA वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप, जो महिलाओं के लिए बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप थी इंटरनेशनल लेवल की, जबकि वो 18 साल की थी। उस वक्त उन्होंने ये दिया इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट, अगेंस्ट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट। कहाँ पे हुई थी वो? यूनाइटेड स्टेट में। देन विनिंग अ सिल्वर मेडल एंड शी जस्ट नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द वुमेन बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप्स एट दैट टाइम, but she won the silver medal for our India and it is a laurels for Indian. It was a honorable thing for the Indian, all Indian, that she won the silver medal when it was the first debut of Mary Kom at a international level, but she won the silver medal. उन्होंने सिल्वर मेडल भारत के लिए जीता है। तो यूएसए का ये फर्स्ट डेब्यूट था उनका, जहाँ पे उन्होंने फर्स्ट सिल्वर मेडल गेन किया है इन 48 kg वेट कैटेगरी। और वो जो वेट कैटेगरी थी, अंडरलाइन इट, ये कौन सी वेट कैटेगरी थी? 48 kg. सो with this 4 line we learn about her achievements at the state level as well as regional level as well as international level. When she was 18 years old at a 48 kg weight category, she won the silver medal for our India and it is very honorable thing for all Indians. Then next, her greatness is reinforced. What is mean by reinforced? Strengthen, शक्तिशाली, strengthen. So reinforced by the way she apologizes to whole nation for not being able to win the gold. And why does the author called her a great lady or magnificent Mary? Why does the author called her? Because of her greatness, because of her great deed. She was great in the sport as well as a human being. She was a great. How we can prove that when she won the silver medal for India, but politely she said to all Indians that I am very sorry, I can't gain a gold medal, or I can't obtain a gold medal, or I can't secure a gold medal for our India. That's why I want to apologize. Give me pardon, beg me a pardon about that I can't obtain or secured गोल्ड मेडल फॉर अवर इंडिया. सो शी अपोलाइज टू द होल नेशन. उन्होंने क्या किया, जो सिल्वर मेडल लाई तो वो संतुष्ट नहीं थी, तो सभी भारतीयों को या इंडियंस को उन्होंने माफ़ी मांगी कि मैं क्या नहीं कर सकी. हर ग्रेटनेस इज दैट ही रेनफोर्स्ड बाय द वे शी अपोलाइजेस टू द होल इंडियन. पूरे वासियों को उन्होंने माफ़ी मांगी फॉर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू विन द गोल्ड मेडल वो ना पा सकी, या गोल्ड मेडल भारत के लिए ना ला सकी, इसलिए उन्होंने सबसे माफ़ी मांगी. शी इज़ अ लेजेंड एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन से मैरी कॉम इज़ अ लेजेंड. लेजेंड इट मीन्स वन हु makes history for our nation, so that is called the legend. So she is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportswomen, and she was the only woman for our India, of our India. She made the history. She made the history because she won the bronze medal in the Olympic championship, women boxing championship. So it was not a we cannot say it was not a light thing. It was a very heavy thing. It was a very honorable thing for our Indians, and throughout the world she won the medal. Throughout the world she make a fame and name, okay, herself as well as of the nation. So that in this 4 line, actually it is an interview. So line by line we will take a interview, but how does she started her career, how does she start her career, and what type of obstacles were there in front of her when she was just doing, or she was just fighting, because as a woman, means at that time in the society there were no place for the women, you know. So she just struggled up till now, and when she just get participated in the Olympics also, so there were so many obstacles. So interviewer Shrivastava has taken this interview of Mary Kom. So it is actually a interview. So line by line we will take this interview. So she is a legend for sure, and she was become an ideal for all Indian women. she has become ideal for all Indian women. वो सभी भारतीय महिलाओं के लिए क्या एक आदर्श बनी, एक आइडियल बनी. उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होकर बहुत सारी महिलाएं बॉक्सिंग जैसे खेल में आई है, क्योंकि ऐसे बोला जाता था कि बॉक्सिंग ये जो खेल है वो मेल डोमिनेटेड है या मेल का होता है ना. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कोई भी खेल रहे या कोई भी बिजनेस रहे, कुछ भी रहे, है ना, जितना मेल को सम्मान मिलता है या जितना मेल कर सकता है उतने ही फीमेल या वुमेन भी कर सकती है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वुमेन हैज़ प्रूव्ड हरसेल्फ. सो इट इज़ एन इंटरव्यू. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हैज़ आस्क्ड by the interviewer to the Mary Kom. First you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? So interviewer का question था कि it was the first time the first Indian woman boxer has won the medal in the Olympic. It was the first because it is a history. It has become history for India that you participated in the Olympic Games, and you not only participated in that game, you just achieved or obtained or secured a bronze medal for India. So has the feeling completely sunk in? Sunk in, it means realize or accept. So how you accepting this thing? मतलब आपने ये जो आप भारत की पहली महिला थी जिन्होंने ये आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस दिया, और ना ही सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेट हुई है, आपने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल भी लाया है. तो ये आपके लिए कैसा क्षण रहा, या आप किस तरह का मूवमेंट आपका रहा? इस तरह का क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यूअर ने मैरी कॉम को पूछा. मैरी कॉम रिप्लाइड ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन, आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी विथ माई अचीवमेंट एंड यस इट इज़ एड टू सिंक इन. आई एम जस्ट सो एक्सैलरेटेड. It means that thrilled. So she just replied politely to the interviewer that yes, it was very exciting thing for me that I was participated in the women boxing championship and I have achieved or obtained the medal for our India. So it is very thrilling thing for me, or it is very exciting thing for me. I was very excited when I got or I obtained a medal for our India, and I had made India means I have made this type of laurels for our India. So it was a very big thing for me. As at that time I was very shocked, I was very excited when I got the medal. So she just tackled the question of the interviewer. The next question, तो फ्रेंड्स इंटरव्यू है, एक्चुअली दिस इज़ एन इंटरव्यू विच टेकन इन बाय इंटरव्यूअर Srivastava, and Mary Kom, when she achieved or she obtained bronze medal in Olympic which was in 2012. जब 2012 का ओलंपिक हुआ, वहाँ पे उन्होंने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल भारत के लिए दिया, तो इंटरव्यूअर ने उनकी इंटरव्यू ली है. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने लिखे हैं. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन शी टैकल्ड दैट हाउ शी जस्ट फीलिंग व्हेन शी गॉट और अचीव्ड लॉरेल्स फॉर अवर इंडिया. सो दैट टाइम शी गेव आंसर टू द इंटरव्यूअर दैट यस, दैट टाइम व्हेन आई अवॉर्डेड विद द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, एंड it was very good thing for me and it was very pleasurable thing. That time I get very excited when I got the award from that Olympic which happened in the 2012. The next question asked by the interviewer to the Mary Kom, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. So did that put additional pressure on you? So interviewer asked, it is very interesting, quite interesting question to the Mary Kom, that you are the only female representative from India. You are the only woman at that time, at that place. So you are the only female representative from India in boxing. So did that put additional pressure on you? उस वक्त आप पे कुछ एडिशनल प्रेशर आया क्योंकि भारत से आप अकेली इंडियन वुमन थी जो कि बॉक्सिंग फील्ड में थी, वहाँ पे और आपके पास में वुमन बॉक्सर्स नहीं थे, तो उस वक्त आप पे कुछ एडिशनल प्रेशर आया? तो ये क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देते हुए मेरी कॉम बोली कि नो, नॉट एट ऑल, नहीं, मुझे ऐसा कुछ एडिशनल प्रेशर वगैरह उस टाइम नहीं आया. आई वॉज प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट माई सेल्फ, एंड इट इज़ वेरी गुड थिंग. वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस थिंग, फ्रॉम दिस एक्सपीरियंस, और फ्रॉम दिस I can say, we can say from Mary Kom we can learn that I was pretty confident, and confidence can take you a very long. It is said that confidence can take you very long, means you can reach at the peak of the success with your self confidence. You if confidence is with you, then you can reach at the peak of the success. अगर आपके पास में कॉन्फिडेंस हो, आपके चेहरे पर अगर कॉन्फिडेंस हो, तो आप किसी भी चीज़ को इजीली हासिल कर सकते हो, या स्ट्रगल भी हो फिर भी उस चीज़ तक आप पहुंच सकते हो. तो इस आंसर से आपके समझ में आया होगा कि दैट टाइम आई वॉज नॉट इन द एडिशनल प्रेशर. उस वक्त में एडिशनल प्रेशर वगैरह में कुछ नहीं थी. आई वॉज प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट. दैट टाइम आई वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. आई नो दैट आई वॉज द ओनली वुमन बॉक्सर फ्रॉम योर इंडिया. दैट टाइम आई वॉज अलोन एट दैट प्लेस, बट आई वॉज द प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट. दैट इज़ वाई I have made the performance gratefully, and I achieved a bronze medal for our India. So it is because of my confidence, it is because of my preparation, it is because of my hard work, you know. The next question interviewer asked to the Mary Kom, your coach Charles Atkinson, underline it, who was the coach of Mary Kom? Charles Atkinson. Charles Atkinson was the coach of Mary Kom. So your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. Was not allowed मतलब उनको अलाउ नहीं किया गया, परमिशन नहीं मिली मेरी कॉम के साथ में जाने की, उनको परमिशन नहीं मिली. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? So when you reach at that place, so the government has not allowed to your coach, they do not allow to your coach to reach at that place. So that type means when you are doing your preparation, जब आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी, प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी वहाँ पे, तो आपको आपकी कोच की याद नहीं आई, या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगा कि यहाँ पे अभी मेरा कोच होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जिन्होंने आपको पढ़ाया और जिस वक्त आप फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे होते हो उस वक्त आपको कुछ मोटिवेशन की, कुछ इंस्पिरेशन की, कुछ टिप्स की ज़रूरत होती है। तो उस वक्त जब मैरी कॉम ओलंपिक्स में पहुंची, वहाँ पे जो प्रिपरेशन हो रही थी, वहाँ पे जो प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी, लेकिन उसके साथ में क्या हुआ कि उनका कोच ही उनके साथ में नहीं था। कोच डजंट अलाउ टू गो देयर, हर कोच डजंट अलाउ टू गो देयर। सो दिस क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड बाय द इंटरव्यूअर टू द मैरी कॉम, सो शी रिप्लाइड दैट वेल आई डिड मिस हिम, yes I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. Yes, I know that I need to my coach at that time, at that place, but certainly very I thankful to my coach that he has done practice me, or he has made practice already, or she just put all the confidence in my personality, in my practice. That is why I get realized, means I just won this medal for our India because of him, because of my hard work, as well as because of the motivation of my guru or mentor. I did miss him that time, I missed him, मेरे कोच को मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत ही मिस किया there, but thankfully we had already done our homework. लेकिन पहले ही हमने क्या किया था, बहुत सारा होमवर्क किया था, बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस की थी वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए। जो भी मैंने स्ट्रगल किया, जो भी मेरा हार्डवर्क रहा, जो भी मेरी प्रैक्टिस रही, जो भी मेरा होमवर्क रहा, तो ऑलरेडी आई हैव डन माई होमवर्क, ऑलरेडी आई हैव डन माई प्रैक्टिस, सो दैट I was well prepared, and that is why that time I missed him, but I was well prepared, I was well confident, and that is why I won this medal for India. So she just tackled the question of the interviewer. So 2 question or 3 question we have taken in this period. Remaining question we will meet in the next portion or the next video. Till then, thank you. I want to give you a suggestion. While watching video, you should come with your textbook and notebook. You have to mention all the things which are mentionable or which are very important for the examination point of view. You have to write down in the notebook, as well as if you have any query or if you have any problem relevant to the textbook or relevant to this given text, you can contact me on my personal number, isn't it? So you have to watch daily the videos which I sent, or the our academy is trying to make you aware about the whole syllabus. So you must have to contact with the all teachers, as well as you must have to do the work which has given by different subject teacher to you. Still then, thank you very much.